In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Telegram account permanently. Now, there are two ways in order for you to delete your Telegram account. The first one only works for iPhones, unfortunately. So in order for us to get this done, go ahead and click the settings here. And then what you're going to do is scroll down and you're going to look for privacy and security. Now, once you are here, you are going to scroll down and there is an option here. It says automatically delete my account if away for 1 month. Now, you can go ahead and basically click that one because there is going to be an option here. It says delete account now. Now, for some reason, this is actually not available on Android. So basically, this method will only work if you are using an iPhone. So again, go ahead and click delete account now, and then go ahead and scroll down and then click delete my account. Now, after doing so, go ahead and click continue right here. Click continue once again and basically just confirm this one by entering your phone number. So again, after doing this one, you should be able to delete your Telegram account right away. Now, the next method that I'm going to teach you is available both for Android and iPhone users. Now, in order to get this done, head over to Safari or whatever browser you are using, and then you can just head over to Google and type Telegram deactivation page. Now, you should be seeing something like this. Go ahead and click this one right here. And then from here, there is an option that says delete account. You can just go ahead and type it here. Alright, after typing your number, go ahead and click the next button right here. And then you should be able to see there the confirmation code being received by your phone. So go ahead and type it here. Alright, after entering the code, you should have these three options here. You have API development tools, delete account, and then log out. So we are going to choose delete account. So I'm going to click that one right there. And then there is a confirmation code. So go ahead and try to answer this one and then choose delete my account option down below. And after doing this one, you should be able to delete your Telegram account. And yeah, those are the two ways again in order for you to delete your Telegram account permanently. I hope this video helps you out, everybody.